Let's turn leaves into art. You will need to collect leaves from outside and you will need glue. Today we are going to make an owl and we're going to make a hedgehog from leaves. Here are the leaves that I collected from outside. They are perfect to make the feathers on the owl and the spines on the hedgehog. This activity is very fun and also very simple to do. You have to take the leaves and glue them to the template, and that's it. You can arrange your leaves in any way that you want, and it will be a very cool piece of art that you can show to your friends or family. You can be an earth hero by practicing the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. This activity makes use of the principle to reuse items. We are currently reusing the leaves to make beautiful art. Can you think of other ways that we could reuse or even recycle leaves? A good way to reuse and recycle leaves is to add them to your compost bin. Composting is the process of turning organic materials like leaves and food scraps into fertilizer to enrich the soil with recycled nutrients so that new plants can grow and thrive in your environment. There are also many other items that we can reuse. For example, you can use an old glass jar to store your pens or pencils or even crayons. So before you throw something away, first think of creative ways that you can maybe reuse the item again. There we go. We have 1 hedgehog and 1 owl.